water of Malay.
Nabaoy is one of the barangay of Malay. It is a serene place recommended for banding and get-together. Nabaoy is known for its attractions such as resorts and other activities that are frequented by tourists, as well as its native food and delicacies. Nabaoy will be reached for approximately 30 minutes ride from Caticlan Jeddah Port via public and private vehicles. In today's time of pandemic, before entering Barangay Nabaoy, you must first sign up for a contact tracing record for the safety of Nabaoynons. I am going to proudly present to you the beauty of Nabaoy.
Welcome to Shingli Resort. Let's go and see the attractions and activities to be done here.
Do you want to try the off-road ATV ride? If so, you can experience that here at Shingli Resort. For 850 pesos, you can get an ATV ride in 30 minutes. And there's more! For 850 pesos, that includes the Kawa Hot Bath where you can relax for a moment after the ride. Your money is well worth to spend here because you can relax and at the same time, you can enjoy. They also have here the big old balete tree which is so Instagrammable because of its natural root formation. The place also have these man-made native formations which is the best for picture taking. The Shingli Resort is beside the famous Nabaoy River which you are allowed to swim with its clear water. Cliff diving by the river can also be experienced here. The place is spacious and mind-relaxing. They also offer foods such as grilled chicken, grilled pork, grilled fish, chop suey, tempura, fried squash, and seasonal fruits, as well as drinks.
Welcome to Nara Resort.
It is also one of the places visited by tourists here in Nabaoy, and it is owned and managed by Mrs. Cynthia Quinto, the barangay captain of Nabaoy. Nara Resort is named after the Nara tree, which is also can be seen right in the resort. One of an attraction here is their hanging bridge, which is made of bamboo, and it is perfect for photo shoots. They have native huts here that tourists can rent and use while on an excursion. And if you want to sing while here at Nara Resort, there are huts with videoke machine. There are also huts here that can be rented for an overnight stay. Bamboo rafting, tubing, and swimming is one of the known activity in here. It is an enjoyable activity as well as refreshing because of the fresh water of the river. Events like birthday party, company outing, team building, or any events can be held here. This place is the best for family and friends bonding and do have a boodle fight at the riverside of the resort. They offer native delicacies such as tinolang manok, manok na adobo sa gata, grilled fish, fish fillet, garlic shrimp, grilled chicken, pako salad, seasonal fruits, and buko. They also serve exotic foods cooked with coconut milk such as river snail, river eel, and palakang bukid. They also have soft drinks and alcoholic drinks to offer, especially the very native drink which is buko juice. The Nuling Resort is also one of the tourist attractions here in Nabaoy. It also has cottages that guests can rent on their excursions. The name of the resort comes from the Nuling tree that can also be found in the resort itself, and also an attraction of the area. This tree is amazing because it looks like twin trees and is super big. If you like adventure and hiking, you can go to Busali Mini Falls. Busali Mini Falls is a hidden attraction of Nabaoy which is surrounded by trees. It can be reached for approximately 40 minutes from Nabaoy proper. The trail is easy and there are many beautiful spots and rock formations that can be seen while on the way to Busali Mini Falls. The place is perfect for a quick nature getaway. It has a natural pool with cool and crystal clear water and a powerful waterfall jacuzzi on a good weather. Experience this all-natural water slide at Busali Mini Falls. If you're after an extreme adventure, trek your way to the majestic Nagata Falls. It is one of the remotest tourist spots in Aklan. Lush forest surrounds Nagata Falls, a perfect fit for those after a tranquil and off-beaten destination. Nagata Falls is a magnificent falls and the highest among the waterfalls in the municipality. Nagata Falls can be reached for approximately 3 hours of walking. While on the way to Nagata Falls, you will hardly notice the tiredness because you will see many naturally beautiful scenery. Due to the height of the mountain, Boracay Island can also be seen. What are you waiting for? Let's explore at Barangay Nabaoy.